This is the first video for the Physical Science Motion Stations, station number 3, which is speed part 1. This is the handout you should be using with this station, and you'll fill in the blanks based on the Prezi provided. And so now we'll look at example 1. Example 1 says that after driving for exactly 60 seconds, you have driven 600 meters. What speed were you driving? Using the variables d over t to represent distance over time, we'll substitute in the units, or the measurements that correspond to those units. So distance is measured in meters, so 600 meters would go on top, over the time it took, which was 60 seconds. 600 divided by 60 is 10. Notice no units cancel out or divide out, so that means my final unit is meters per second, and therefore my speed is 10 meters per second. Please copy this example in your notebook.